Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In this video, we will discuss about Oracle 12c, new features which has been introduced with this new version. Whenever you are going for the Oracle interview questions, most of the time the interview will be focused on the Oracle 12c because Oracle 12c is coming with really new features which are going to be really interesting and that can be placed into the current infrastructure. So if you know Oracle 12c, definitely there is a chance that you can place into the company. So going to this video, what I'm going to do, I'll just focus on Oracle 12c new features. So as per we know that there are many features which are coming with Oracle 12c. I will focus one of the most important features which is coming with Oracle 12c. We called it as a invisible column. Before starting to this video, if you're really interested and you want to know about Oracle 12c, about the latest technology which are going into the market, about Hadoop, cloud, SQL and anything, you can just subscribe this channel and you will get many more things into the futures. You already seen that there are 100+ videos which are already recorded and you can see all those videos free of cost. So let us focus on Oracle 12c new features. We call it as an invisible column. So let me take one example before going to this technical deep. What was happening in previous version of Oracle 12c, previous version of Oracle actually. So if I want to about the one concept, we called it as a view. Why we were creating with view? Just for the security purpose. So let me take one example. Let us say that we have one column which is having 3 columns. Actually I'm talking about one table. Let us say that we have one table and inside that table we have a 3 column. So out of the 3 column, I want to show only 2 columns to the third party because of some business requirement. So what I will do, we will just create the view on the top of the table with that particular 2 columns so that he can see only that 2 particular column and he will not be able to access that third column. So this is what we were doing initially with respect to the view architecture. But now what is happening here, Oracle have introduced a concept called invisible column. So whenever you are going to create any table, you can specify a particular column as an invisible column, so that even though if you are doing the select command, even though if you are doing insert command, even though if you are doing any command, unless and until you will not specify the name of that column will not be accessible. So how to create that invisible column? In order to create the invisible column, you can just specify in the create table statement is there, right? So in that create table statement, you need to specify the column name and the word as a invisible, so that you can create that column as a invisible column. Now what about the select? If you want to select that column, definitely you need to specify the column name while you are using the select statement. The same thing goes for the insert query as well. So this is all about the new feature of Oracle 12c with respect to the invisible column. I hope this is pretty much clear. If you want to know about more about like this invisible column and about other features of Oracle 12c, you can subscribe to my channel. Definitely you will see a lot of videos based upon the Oracle 12c. Okay, I hope this video is pretty much clear and you understood the concept. You are enjoying the video. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel so that other people also can get the more and more knowledge and place into the good company. Thank you. Bye bye.